Electronic drums are becoming more popular among drummers who want quiet practice sessions without sacrificing sound quality. To get the most out of your kit, the right headphones make all the difference, delivering accurate tones, deep bass, and comfort for long practice hours.
List number 1. The Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro is a premium choice for drummers who demand professional sound quality. With an open-back design, these headphones deliver a wide, natural soundstage that makes your drum kit sound incredibly lifelike. The 250-ohm impedance ensures crystal-clear detail, making them ideal for serious musicians who use audio interfaces or headphone amps. Comfort is another strong point. The velour ear pads and adjustable headband make long practice sessions more enjoyable. While the open-back design gives fantastic sound clarity, it does allow some sound leakage, which might not be suitable for quiet shared environments. Durability is also a standout feature. Beyerdynamic is known for rugged, long-lasting builds, and the DT990 Pro is no exception. However, due to its higher impedance, it may not be as effective when plugged directly into low-powered devices like smartphones. For drummers who want studio-level detail, comfort, and durability, this is one of the best headphones available for electronic drum kits.
List number 2. The Audio-Technica AT-H-M50X is widely regarded as one of the best all-around headphones for both studio use and electronic drums. These closed-back headphones provide an immersive sound experience with deep bass and crisp highs, ensuring your drum tones are both accurate and powerful. They're designed with comfort in mind. The cushioned ear pads and adjustable headband allow drummers to play for extended periods without discomfort. The rotating ear cups also add versatility for quick monitoring sessions. Durability is another plus. The AT-H-M50X is built to withstand heavy use, making it perfect for drummers who practice daily. Additionally, the detachable cable system adds convenience and longevity. One of the highlights is its versatility. It works great not only for drumming, but also for mixing, streaming, and casual listening. While some users might find the bass slightly emphasized, most drummers will appreciate the punch it gives to kick drums and toms. If you want studio-quality sound, comfort, and durability at a reasonable price, the AT-H-M50X is an outstanding choice. List number 3. The Sennheiser HD280 Pro is a favorite among professional musicians for its excellent noise isolation. These closed-back headphones block out external noise effectively, making them ideal for drummers practicing in noisy environments or late at night. The sound profile is well-balanced, offering detailed mids and highs while maintaining controlled bass, ensuring every drum hit sounds clean and accurate. With a frequency response that favors clarity over heavy bass, they're excellent for drummers who value precision. Comfort is decent. The padded ear cups and adjustable headband provide a secure fit, though some users may find them a bit tight during long sessions. However, the snug fit helps with noise isolation, which is a major strength of this model. The HD280 Pro is built tough, with replaceable parts like ear pads and cables, extending its lifespan. Its foldable design also makes it easy to carry around. For drummers who need excellent isolation and accuracy, the Sennheiser HD280 Pro is a reliable and professional-grade option.
List number 4. The Audio-Technica AT-H-M20X is a budget-friendly yet highly capable option for drummers who want solid performance without overspending. These closed-back headphones deliver a clear and balanced sound, emphasizing mids and highs with just enough bass to make electronic drum kits sound full and vibrant. Comfort is one of its strengths. The ear cushions and adjustable headband make it easy to wear for extended practice sessions. They're lightweight and less bulky than many higher-end models, making them convenient for travel or home use. While they don't offer the same level of detail or soundstage as premium models, they are more than sufficient for beginner and intermediate drummers. The build quality is also respectable for the price, though they may not last as long as higher-end options with heavy use. If you're looking for affordable, reliable, and comfortable headphones for electronic drumming, the AT-H-M20X is an excellent entry-level choice that delivers impressive value.
List number 5. The Moon wired over-ear headphones are a solid budget pick for drummers who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. These closed-back headphones provide decent sound isolation, making them suitable for practicing in various environments. The sound quality is balanced enough for electronic drum kits, with clear highs and decent low-end punch. While they may not match the precision of studio-grade models, they offer a satisfying sound for casual practice and beginner use. Comfort is another plus. The cushioned ear pads and lightweight design ensure drummers can practice for hours without fatigue. The adjustable headband also helps fit a wide range of users. Durability is acceptable for the price, though these headphones are best suited for light to moderate use rather than heavy professional sessions. The simple wired design makes them easy to use with drum modules, laptops, or practice amps. For drummers seeking a budget-friendly and comfortable option, the Moon headphones provide solid performance for the price.